and welcome back to my channel, and today I am at Pink Bird. So basically Pink Bird is a Korean restaurant that, well, serves Korean food. Here it is. Thank you. It's so cool, guys. And guess what? Everything is pink. And they don't look, it's pink. And they also have 3D paintings. It's super Instagrammable here. Super Instagrammable. Oh my gosh, guys. I think I see someone familiar. My family. And also, if you're not impressed with that, they have a 3D art room. You guys, look. Ah! Oh no, help me! Right? And they're going to make this room into a Korean pastry and beauty products. And look. You can take a picture here. It's amazing. And there's also so they're talking about this space that nobody knows much about it yet because it's new. So if I were you, I would start going here when nobody else is here. That's the best part. See? It's amazing. Okay, but the question is, I know you're asking, is the food good? Guys, is the food good?
Yes, and plus the service.
The service is also good, guys. They're very good here. They're very nice. What do you think of the food? Right? So, yes. But my mom, her priority is service. And they're so nice here, guys. I promise. Diba? And look. Ubos ang food namin, guys. Also, don't forget to visit Pink Bird at Scott Borromeo Avenue, Cubao, Quezon Ave. Ay, basta you search Tomas Morat, ay, Borromeo Avenue. Bye! Bye! Subscribe!